back with us from OD6 Metals. We have Brett Hazelden, Managing Director. Now, Brett, we've been following this story as it evolves for some time. A bit of a big announcement today. You have selected a preferred flow sheet that is for your Splinter Rock REE project with ANSTO. Can you please tell us what you've gone with and why?
Yeah, so it's been a culmination of about 12 months worth of work. So there's been about 9 months of test work with ANSTO in New South Wales there. So it's the leading test work and Australian organisation around rare earths. And then we've also been doing the optioneering study with CPC Engineering in Perth, and they did the last part of Linus's project in Kalgoorlie. So we've used two really good organisations. It's been built up over obviously a bit of time here. We've looked at 6 different key flow sheets that we've listed in there. And what we've looked for is they're all technically viable. It's now just trying to determine what's the most economic and obviously what's the most commercially viable going forward. So for us, we've landed on heap leaching versus tank leaching as the starting premise. And then what we've done with the flow sheet is you would have seen over a number of announcements over the last probably 3 to 4 months that we've slowly added in certain parts like nanofiltration, ion exchange, impurity removal to then get a really good product out at the end of the day, which is really what people want and what was our key focus.
So how does this now situate the Splinter Rock project amongst its peers?
Yeah, so we're one of the few through the process that's actually produced a mixed rare earth carbonate all the way through. The mixed rare earth carbonate is also high quality and low impurity. So we've produced a 56 to 59% rare earth oxide content, which is really, really high. So anything above 50% is good. And what we've been looking at is how do we position that product to be able to be saleable, not just to China, but also to France or North America or other Asian countries as well. So what it's done is it's positioned ourselves to be able to sell to multiple parties, but also not be restricted by who we can sell it to, which is, for us, I think it sets itself amongst the highest in the peers, if not outstanding in the peer space.
So staying now with Splinter Rock, can you tell us the next steps?
Yeah, so at the moment we've got a drill rig out at Splinter Rock. It's about halfway through the program, almost completing the program in the next week or so. That is for metallurgical core. That core will go to ANSTO for scale-up processing and advanced metallurgical testing. So we're sending about 2.5 tonne of material over there, which is lots. We'll then be able to produce final samples for the mixed rare earth carbonate that can then be sent across to all these various potential customers around the world. And then that enables us to continue offtake discussions and obviously looking for who we're going to be working with going forward.
And finally, Brett, while I have you, can you tell us what's the latest at your Gulf Creek copper project?
Yeah, so that one's been a little sleeper in the background of late, but next week there's a drill rig going to be turning up out there, focusing on 7 main holes. And we will hopefully be seeing some really good copper intercepts at that project, which we can speak a bit more about at a later date.
Well, Brett, congratulations again on the milestone at Splinter Rock, and we look forward to hearing more about Gulf Creek as it starts to get louder.
Beautiful. No, thanks for your time.